No, I'm lagging. So guys, my cousin is my cousin is mean to us cause she has no Robux, but we donated her 20 Robux and my sister donated 1 Robux and again 1 Robux. So, and can you please guys donated my cousin? Her user is sorry guys, I'm lagging kasi I'm on phone. Her name is 0BYBR1. And if you want to donate, you can scroll down, scroll down. Thank you if you donated. Here's the, you just enter like zero, B, like this, 0B, YBR1, and message like, I don't know, and you need to give, and you see my boot, uh, yeah, you see my boot right here, like that. Sorry, it's so, hey, sorry, this is my baby sister. Got away! Sorry guys, I'm not English, I'm Philippines. Ano So, guys, pwede nyo scroll down, and you will see 500 or 1 or 2, and if you donated, you will exit and bye-bye. And I will check tomorrow if you guys donated. I will post a video. Ah, my God, get away! Nana, get away! Ah! Oh! Sorry, guys. So, thank you. I'm on phone.